After about 4 years of construction, the National Stadium, better known as the Bird's Nest, is now totally complete. The stadium is one of the world's most complicated steel-made structures and is the main venue for this year's Beijing Olympics.
The Bird's Nest is the main stadium for the Beijing Olympics. It has a capacity for almost 100,000 spectators. The huge construction had extremely stringent requirements for steel quality. Chinese researchers invented a special kind of steel to satisfy the standard. More than 110,000 tons of steel were used.
The weld seam on the Bird's Nest has a length of 320 kilometers. More than 1,000 welders worked on the project for 15 months. It's a miracle in China's construction history.
Nearly 900 pieces of protective overhang were installed on the stadium's roof. They help adjust the lighting inside the Bird's Nest and protect the spectators from rain.
There are 3 layers of stands in the stadium. We can evacuate all the spectators to safe places in 8 minutes.
On August the 8th, the Beijing Olympics will officially begin at the Bird's Nest. The stadium will play host to the first ever Olympics. Xiaochun, CCTV.